So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be setting up a Jenkins server. This is the first time that I am giving the voiceover. Earlier two videos that I have edited using a robotic voice. So this is my actual voice. So I will try to utilize this one. I don't know how much I can. But yeah, so enough of that one. We will start creating Jenkins servers. So just a brief about Jenkins, and that I can give you is Jenkins is an open source and continuous integration, continuous delivery tool, popularly known as CI/CD tool, right? Why is Jenkins so popular? First of all, Jenkins is open source, so it's free to use. Um, Obvious answer. But there is a variety of support plugins for Jenkins. So it's flexible and it has number of plugins. So by which means if you can name it or think it, the plugin should be there. If it is not there, then it's up to you. You can create one. So that's the different topic, and you can automate the process of the CI/CD pipelines, whatever the pipeline you can think of. So it's very easy to use and user friendly UI you will get. So this is a brief about Jenkins overall. Next, what we will do, we will create a server. So how we will be creating a server? So I will be logging to the AWS, and let's log in. This is my account, and we will click on EC2 or search for EC2, whatever you want to do. Instance, and I have no instance running, so I have to create one. I will create one quickly, and you have already know this on how to create one. So I will name it Jenkins. I will select Ubuntu, and yeah, free tier is eligible, so that's good. I will create a key pair because I don't think I have one, or it's better to create a separate key pair for each and every server. Jenkins, KINS, Jenkins key. Okay, so that's good. It will get downloaded over here, and it is also selected. Now I don't think I have VPC. I have to create a VPC, so just open a new tab for VPC. So over here I don't have any VPC. You should have default one, but I don't have one. I delete everything. So just click on VPC and more. Keep the name. And then okay, I don't want IPv6 default. Yeah, that's fine. Easy one, two, endpoint none, and DNS. We don't want. Just create it. So it will get created. So you can view that, or you can go to another tab where you will refresh this one, and this will come. And over here, say this is the public IP which we took. Subnet IP is public subnet. And yeah, we want public IP which will direct to public subnet, and then it will connect to this particular server. So, and we also need a security group. Security group I will give name Jenkins. Jenkins SG is fine. It's just convention is G if I can type. So it's Jenkins SG. So everything is fine over here. So now this is from anywhere. So if you want to have more control on the security group, you can do custom or my IP only, but I'm currently it's open to all ports and all IP it can connect to. But yeah, I can show you later how we can configure security group later. For now, I will launch this instance. So just launch it. So it will take a while to um, process and spin up a server on AWS data center, which I've chosen is Mumbai. So yeah, we will get back to you after this one is done. So yeah.
No way I'd let you say bye. Okay, so after creating the EC2 instance for Ubuntu machine, we need to log in or SSH into that one. For that, you can follow my previous video where I have shown how to create an EC2 and SSH into that particular box. Uh, so over here, this is a new box, Ubuntu box, where we will be installing our Jenkins. But before that, we need to install Java because Jenkins has dependency on Java. So to install Java, we just I have a command, or it's available in the net. So you can just copy paste this one, or you can just type it out. So it will install the Java version 17. So it will take some time, though my net is pretty fast, so it will take a couple of seconds, but yeah, it depends on the internet speed. Yeah, now it's installed. I can show you. So Java different version. Okay, I can type version. So yeah, Java 17 is installed. So now is the time to install Jenkins. So how we can install Jenkins now? Okay, so now that we have installed Java, so we will be installing Jenkins now. So how to install Jenkins? So I have prepared a note for that also. It's over here only. So first we will be adding the key. So just copy and paste the keys. So yeah, it's added now. Next we will be updating the source list over here. So Control C, Control V. It's added, and now we can install the Jenkins. So before that, you can update or you can do one liner over here. So Control C, Control V, it will update the packages. And yeah, ignore this error for now. Then you can install Jenkins. Okay, so install Jenkins. So it will take some time. Again, we will speed up this one once it's done. Yeah, it's done. So let's clear the screen. So it's done. Now we have to check the status of the Jenkins. So I will check first status of the Jenkins, then I will start. So I don't think it's, oh okay, it's active. So it's showing me active and running. So if it is inactive, then you have to type this command to systemctl start jenkins.service or Jenkins. So it will start the Jenkins over if it is inactive. And for now it is active. It has so it's been running now. So by default the port for Jenkins is 8080. So we can check that one out. So I can check what is our IP. So IP. So this is our IP. I will copy this one and I can open and paste 8080. Yeah, default port. So yeah, for the first time you have to set up the initial password is on this path. So I have also given this path over here. So you can cat this one directly, so that you can you can get the password. So this is the hash for the first time you need to give. So over here I will give this one, continue. I don't want to save. So select the plugins to install, and you can select from here, or I am going with the default one, whatever it is selected. So it will take some time to install the default plugins. Once that is installed, I will again resume this one from here. So let's see how much time it takes. Okay, it's done now. So we have to create our admin user. So I will be using our admin user, or we can create it later also. So whatever is preferred. So we can create over here. But yeah, I will skip for now. You can you can create any user, but I will prefer to use admin for now. So just keep. So this is the URL to access the Jenkins server. And we can start using Jenkins. So this is the Jenkins page first. UI, what you will get after installing the Jenkins. So that's pretty good. Okay, so this I have done using single server. So we can also use Jenkins using Docker. So that also I will show you over here. So be with me. So since I am using port 8080 for Docker, I will be using 8081 for accessing publicly. Because port 8080 is already in use, so for Docker uh, that I cannot use basically. Okay, so let's see how we can use Docker to do the same thing. It's pretty one-liner thing, just a one-liner command to run a Docker container, and Jenkins is up and running within a couple of seconds or minutes. I don't know, depending upon the internet speed. So let's see. Okay, so from here we will check if the Linux have the Docker or not. Because I remember I have installed Docker, but I don't know actually. Let's see if Docker is installed or not. So Docker hyphen version. Oh, okay, version. Okay, if I can type this one version. Yeah, so Docker is installed over here. So we can if you want to know how to install Docker, then I can make a separate video, and I will make a video what is Docker and how Docker is being used, how can we write Docker file and all. So that is a separate topic, but yeah, if you want that one, I can make that one also. Okay, so Docker, I see over here Docker is installed already. So for now I have a command that is this is the command to install to spin up the container, Docker container for Jenkins, which will run on port 8081, and this port is for agent port. Now so this is mapping of Jenkins home folder with Jenkins container directory, where it will be pulling the Jenkins image with the LTS JDK. LTS is long term support JDK 11. We can give it 17 also, because earlier we know it was running on 17, but yeah, still this is tried and tested, so I'm going with 11. So yeah, just enter. So okay, so yeah, obviously so I have to give sudo over here because I have not added it to the group. So sudo docker. So okay, something is running. I think I have tested it out. So yeah, with this you can see how docker. Okay, sudo. Okay, let me show you how we can fix this one. This every time we need to give sudo. That one more thing you can learn over here, how we can get rid of this one. So just give sudo ch mod and gives 666 permission, and copy this, control C control V. Okay, I need to give space over here, space. Okay, now it will not ask for a sudo every time because I've added. Okay, see over here, see 50,000 is already in use, so I have to. Okay, 21 hours ago I have pinned up this one, so I need to delete this one. So how to delete? So docker rmi. So okay, not rm, the rmi is not image container. So rm, so it's 8. I will be force removing this one. Okay, it's removed. So if I do now docker ps, nothing is there, but docker image is there. So docker images. So over here, say Jenkins image is there with LTS tag 11. So this we will be fetching, but I will remove this image for now. Just to clarify, nothing is there. So just docker now RMI, and you can give the image ID. So it's 277, but you can give two. Uh, okay, there is a conflict image used with the stop container. Okay, so I can give force, so it will remove by force. So okay, let me check one thing. Docker ps hyphen a. Okay, over here container is already there, so I can remove this one also. So docker docker rmaa, so it's removed. So now nothing is there. So with a nothing is there, uh, with a nothing is there, and images and images if nothing is there. So we can begin with our this command which we have created over. Just copy and paste. Now it should work properly. So yeah, it will take some time. It's fetching the images from the repo which we have added it earlier. No, sorry, not added it earlier. So that was a local Jenkins on local setup, not in a container. So yeah, it's pulling from the repo from Docker Hub, and it will take some time to pull the image and spin up the container. Once it has been spinned up, it will show us a hash key, which again we need to put that while admin login that we have already configured for local ones for port 8080. So this is pinned up on 8081. When we will be doing so, we will be putting 8081. Okay, so now we will going to the over here, and we will type the IP, that is 1 0 over here. Yeah, so it's not 8080, it's 8081. So enter. So we will get again yeah, you have to log in as admin. So this is the path where you will get the one, but since we are using docker, so it will be in a log. So if we go over here and see, so this is the hash, or else I can show you a way. If you don't get this one, you can always go into the exit into the docker container and go to this particular path and check the hash. So yeah, just bear with me, I can show you that one also. So just paste this one, and from here it's pretty same that we have set up earlier. So just select plugins and install, and it will take same time. So just okay, no, no, same. The first page, admin, where you can create your user, or you can go with the admin. So I will go with the admin, and now this is the URL by which you can access. Okay, just start using Jenkins, and yeah, this is the page which you will get. So yeah, I can show you that our old Jenkins, which is running on 8080, is also running. So what is the password I set? So it's admin, admin, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so it's admin, and the what it was. It was, have to check. So I have to go. I have to cat again. So I can do one thing. I can copy paste this one. Control C and Control V. I should have changed my password. So This is on, so control C. Okay, so over here I can paste and keep beside it. So yeah, this is the one. You can probably change your password because this actually is pretty hard to remember. So this, you can see this is 81 and this is 80. So this is coming from container and this is coming from the local, not the local, it's the server itself, which is hosted under system D. So yeah, yeah, one more thing that I will show you, that I have promised, that how you will be getting the password if you are not getting after running the container. So sometime, if you don't get, it depends on the image, how from where you are pulling it, or because there are many Jenkins images available, Docker images available. It depends if they are putting it into the log or not, but yeah, for the safer side, it's always better to understand if you can get that image, or get that password yourself or not. So let's see how I can get that one. So yeah, for that I need to check the Docker ps. So this is the container. So I have to go inside the container for that. So Docker exec hyphen it interactive terminal, and then I need to give the container id. So it's 1a, or since it's only one container, I can give one. Then I can give any bash, any shell. So I will go with the bin bash, bin slash bash. So it's I am into the Jenkins now, so you can see it has been changed. So so what is the path? So you need to go to this path, right? So you can cat this path similarly that we have done on that one, on this particular box, not inside the container but outside the container. So cat control V, and you can see this is same. So you can check this one and this one are same. So from here also you can get the hash if it is not there in the log. So yeah, that's it then. Thank you very much for being with me. Just don't forget to subscribe or like, comment, or if you have any suggestion, if you want to tell what video I can make, that will be great. Okay, see you on the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.